Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 15B, page number 242. In this exercise, we will solve questions based on perimeter of a triangle. As we know that perimeter, we can find the sum of the all the sides of the any polygons. Okay, sum of the sides means the length of the whatever the dimensions is given of the sides of the polygon, so that we can add and we can get the perimeter. Perimeter of a triangle is the sum of length of its side. Okay, so like we have to find the perimeter of this triangle, so we can add 5 plus 4 plus 6. Okay, so this is 15. So likewise we can do. So the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle means which type of triangle whose all the sides are equal, all three sides are equal, means side plus side plus side, so that we can write 3 into side also, because you can see that in the equilateral triangle all the three sides are equal, so 3 times you will add, so that's better you multiply by 3 times. So the perimeter of equilateral triangle you can write 3 into side. Okay, now next we have the case of perimeter of rectangle. How to find the perimeter of rectangle? So in the rectangle you can see there is a two sides are equal, this length and length are equal and breadth are equal. Okay, so there is like if you will add a plus b, this side you will add, then this side you will add, means first you will add this side, again this side, again this side and this side, four side you will add, so l plus b plus l plus b you will add like this, so you can get the perimeter of the rectangle. So to read of this means again and again you don't have to add this all the sides, so there is a formula. So means by this l plus b plus l plus b, there is the one little bit arrangement is done when. So what is the arrangement has done, so that you can write like this: 2 into l plus b, means 2 here is the formula we are getting. The perimeter of rectangle is 2 into l plus b, because 2l is there and 2b is there. Okay, 2l plus 2b. Okay, because here is 1l is there, you can check that 1l is here and 1l is here, and 2b is also there, 1b and 2b, so that's why 2l and 2b. Now what the arrangement has done, this 2 is the common in the both, so this is taken out 2. Okay, now here is the left l and plus b, so that's the formula: 2 into l plus b. So the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into l plus b, so that you have to learn. Now next we have the perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square, in this square all the sides are same, so this is the 4 time, so you will add s plus s plus s plus s, all the sides 4 times you will add, so it's better that you can write 4 into s, so which is 4s. So what is the perimeter of square? 4 into side. Okay, now these are the some questions. This example solved questions are there. You can once again you can see these questions and you can solve also, you can practice. Now we will solve exercise 15b. First find the perimeter of the following figure. So you can see this which type of figure it is. It is a square. Which type of figure is square, and this is which type of a figure? This is the rectangle. Okay, so you can put the formula and you can solve. Okay, so first of all, question number 1, number a, which type of figure it is there? So it is a figure of square. Which type of figure? This first one is square. So what is the perimeter of square? So you have to write like this: perimeter of square. What you have to write? Perimeter of square. Okay, so when you write the perimeter of square, so what is the formula? Just now we have read 4 into side. What is the formula? 4 into side. Okay, now what is the value of side? So you can see the side is given 4 centimeter, all the sides are 4 centimeter, the value of s it is 4. So right here 4 into, again this is the 4 it is given, so it is given 4 centimeter. Okay, so 4 into 4, 16 centimeter. So the perimeter of this square is 16 centimeter. Okay, now question number b, this is the which type of shape? It is a rectangle, so we will find the rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle. Number 2, here is l is given. First of you write also like this, l and b is given. For this question also you have to write this. Number a is the side is given, so you have to write here side equals to 4 centimeter. This is given. Okay, so the given part first you write. Now here in question number 2, you can check that there is given length 6 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Okay, l and b it is given, so this is l is actually what? L is actually length. L is your actually length and b is your what? Breadth. Okay, this is your breadth. So L is given, it is given 6 centimeter. So first you write this is 6 centimeter. B stands for breadth, it is your 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter is given. Now you have to write the formula of the perimeter of the. So you write here first perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle. So what is the formula? 2 into, this is 2 into L plus B. Okay, or you just simply write 2 into this, no need to write this multiplication sign, that is up to you. Yeah, now just put the values. So 2 into, what is the value of L? It is given 6, and what is the value of B is given 2. Right, like this. Now first of all you have to work the what is the value inside the bracket that you have to follow, means according to the rule of BODMAS you have to follow it. Okay, so first whatever the inside the bracket we will solve. So 6 plus 2 8. Now 2 into 8 16, and this is the centimeter. So now your answer is 16 centimeter. Okay, so the perimeter of this rectangle is the 16 centimeter. Okay, so here we have solved. This is the solution of this number 2. Okay, now next you can see here is that some triangles are there. You have to determine the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are given. These sides are given. Okay, different sides are given. So you have to find the perimeter of the triangle. So one question I will solve for you. This is number B. So here is, it is 14 17 and 24 it is given. Okay, so this number 2, number B, you have to first of all you have to draw the one triangle and give the naming like A B C. It's the one side is given 14 centimeter. Okay, so write 14 centimeter. One is 17, so write 17. One is 24. Okay, and this is not the equilateral triangle, means all the sides are not same. So what you have to do, first of all, this is the sides are given, all the side. So you have to find the perimeter of this triangle. So you have to write the formula like this: perimeter of a triangle equals to, what is the formula? You know that sum of the all three sides. That's the formula. Means sum of all the three sides means you have to add this all the sides values. What is that? 14 17 and 24. So you can add like this. So you can write 14 centimeter plus 17 centimeter plus 24 centimeter. Now you can add. So after adding, what will be the value? So right here, so it will be 55 centimeter. So the perimeter of this triangle is the 55 centimeter. Okay, so likewise you have to do, see this how we have done. So you can check this one, the perimeter of a triangle, sum of the all three sides, and then we have added and we got the answer. Okay, so let's see this one. Okay, this number 2 is finished. Now number 3, the rest question you can do by yourself. Number 3, measure the sides of each of the following figures and find its perimeter. Means by the help of scale you have to measure the side, what is the its value, what is its this side value and this side value, and then after you have to find the perimeter. So like triangle, so all the three sides you have to find. First you have to measure by the help of scale, you have to find all the three sides, and then you have to find the it's the dimension. Okay, means it's the perimeter you have to find. Suppose that this is the rectangle, so measure these all these sides, and then after put the formula, write the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, and solve on this. So this is the square. So what is the formula? 4 into side. First of all you have to measure by the help of scale, because it's the dimension is not given. What is the length of this side, it is not given. So by the help of scale you have to measure and do it. Next question number 4, determine the perimeter of the rectangle whose length and breadth is given. Okay, you have to find the perimeter, length and breadth is given. Simply you have to write in the formula and you have to find, means already it is length. Suppose number B, question number 4 and B. Okay, question number 4 and it's a B. Already it is given A. So in number B it is the length is given 12 centimeter it is given, and B's breadth is given also 9 centimeter. So you have to find its a perimeter. So simply you have to write the formula for this perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, so perimeter of the rectangle you have to write, and then after you have to write the formula 2 into L plus B. Then after, what is the value of L? L is given 12. And what is the value of B? 9. Okay, so 12 plus 9, it will be the 21. Okay, so now you can multiply 2, 4. So it is, your answer will be the 42. So 42 centimeter is the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay, so this is like this, you have to do. Already is the everything is given, it's a length and breadth is given, only put the formula and get the answer. Okay, so now number 6, here is one more question is left. Yeah, number 5, the perimeter of rectangle is 30 centimeter and breadth of the rectangle is 9. You have to find the length. So number 5, just I will solve for you. So number 5 is that in this question, perimeter of the rectangle is given. Okay, perimeter of rectangle, it is given. What is this rectangle of perimeter? It is given 30 centimeter, and the breadth is given, breadth of the rectangle, it is given 9 centimeter. Okay, so you have to find the length. You have to find the length you have to find out. Okay, so first of all, you have to write the formula. Always you write the formula first. What is the formula of this perimeter of the rectangle? So what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Okay, now what is the values given, so write perimeter is given and breadth is given. So now you just write perimeter. So this part is given, so here just below of this you write 30 centimeter, it is given. Okay, now write 2 into L is given. What is the value? Length is not given, you have to find, so write the same L, no need to write anything. As it is you write, because its the value is not given. This value is given. What is the value? 9 is given, so write 9. Okay, next step, it is little bit of the exchange, means you have to shift the values, means you have to transpose one side to another side. So this 2 I will send to the this side. So here is it is in the with the plus. So now another side it will come, it will be divided. So it means 30 will divided by 2. Okay, and now equals to this side is remained L plus 9. So this side is left only L plus 9. Okay, so 30 plus 2 you will divide, so you will get 15. 30 divided by 2, 15, L plus 9. Okay, now again this 9 you can send to the this side. Okay, so this side it will come, so here it is in the plus, so this side will come, it will be the minus. So now 15 minus 9 equals to L. So now you can subtract 9 minus 15. So it will be the 6. Okay, so L, because this L is in the centimeter, you can write L equals to 6 centimeter. This is your answer. Okay, once again you can see it. So here you can see perimeter is given and its breadth is given, length we have to find. Perimeter of the rectangle, we write the formula. This part is a value we have written here. Okay, then after whatever this value is given, L value is not given, B value is given. Then after this is the simplification. This 2 we will send this side, so it will be divided because it is with the multiplication, because multiply, and if you change this, multiply will divide, divide will multiply. And same for the plus, plus will minus, minus will be plus when you change the side, left to right, right to left. So same we have done for this here. And then after this 9 will send to the another side. So this is the solution. So L equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, now question number 6, determine the perimeter of square whose side is given. Simply you have to side of the perimeter is given, write the formula of the square. So number 6, simple you have to write, it's a side is given. Suppose number B I am solving. So it's a it's a side is given. Side equals to 9 centimeter, it is given. So you have to find the perimeter. Okay, so you can write the formula. Perimeter of square equals to 4 into side. Okay, so now 4, what is the value of side is given? 9. So 9 for the 36. So it is 36 centimeter is your answer. Okay, so likewise you have to do. Okay, simply you write the formula and solve it. Now next question number 7, what is the length of the side of a square whose perimeter is given? Means already perimeter is given, length you have to find. No, we will solve number C. 7, number C. Okay, so question number 7, it's a C. So here it is given perimeter is given, it means it is given perimeter of square is given. Perimeter of square is given how much? Number C we are solving, so it is in the 120 centimeter it is given. Okay, and we have to find the side. Okay, so first we write the formula of the perimeter. So perimeter of square equals to 4 into side. Okay, 4 into side. Now this perimeter part is given, see here, this is given 120, so write here 120 here. Okay, and 4 into side. Okay, now this 4 I will send to the this side, so here it is in the multiply, so here it will come, it will divide. So 120 will divided by 4 equals to this side is remain only left side. So you can divide by 4 120, so this will be 4 3s are 12 30. So this is your side equals to, now side equals to this 30s. Okay, 30 centimeter. So the side of this square will be the 30 centimeter. One second, you can just see it also. So like this, only the what are the things are given, first you write what are the values is given, and then after put the formula and what are the values, just according to that place that and solve. So this is the answer, side equals to 30 centimeter. Okay, now here, now question number 8. Mohit, who is overweight, means his weight is heavy, he's fat boy, advised by his doctor to go in the morning jogging to reduce his weight. Okay, so he goes to the park which has the shape of rectangle. It's a length and breadth is given, width is given. If he jog 5 round every day, how much he is taking? He is running 5 times of the park daily. So how much distance he traveled in kilometer, that we have to find. Okay, so question number 8. One park is there. Okay, one park is there, and which type of park? It is a rectangular park. Okay, and there is a dimension is given 80 centimeter, sorry 80 meter is given, 80 meter, and this is the 40 meter is given. So now he is taking, means he is rounding, means from here to here, how many times he is running? He is jogging for the 5 times, one time, then again one time, two time, three time, four time, 5 time. So 5 time his total he is jogging around this rectangular park. So first of all I will find the perimeter, means if you find the perimeter means we can find the length of one time, so we will multiply by 5, so we'll get the 5 for the 5 time. So first we find the perimeter. Okay, so you write this perimeter of rectangular park. Okay, perimeter of the rectangular park, so this is 2 into L plus B. Okay, so now 2 into, what is the value of L? 80, and B's value is, it is given 40. Okay, so now 2 into 80 plus 40, 120. So now it will be multiplied, so it will be 240 meter. 240 meter means in the one round, if he will take the one round, so he will cover how much distance? 240. But his every day how much, how many round he is taking? So Mohit, what is the name is, Mohit is taking, Mohit is jogging how many times? Mohit is jogging 5 times. Mohit is he is jogging for how many times? For the 5 times. Okay, so Mohit is jogging 5 times, 5 times of the park. So 5 times, so in the one time how much it is traveling? 240. So in 5 time how much it will travel? So 240 multiply by 5. Okay, so this much of distance he will travel. So now multiply it, so it will be 0, 5 for the 20, carry 2, it will be 1200 meter. So 1200 meter he will jog every morning. So that this we have to find in the kilometer. So this is in the meter, so you have to convert in the kilometer. So divide by 1000 in a 1 meter, how many thousand? In a 1 kilometer equals, in 1 kilometer there is 1000 meter, so divide by 1000, so this 2 will cancel. So now this is 12 by 10, so this you can write 12 by 10 means 1.2 kilometer is the answer. Okay, so here also you can do like this also, same thing also. If you will not divide here, So what you can write? So simply you can write 1.200 kilometer. So that's both answer is same. Okay, no problem, this one and this one. Okay, so see here, once again this solution. So first of all, what we have found, first of all we get this is the rectangular park, we find it's a perimeter. So this is the distance travel in a one in a in a one round. So Mohit, how many times is taking? 5 times he is rounding, so we multiply by 5. So 1200 meter he is travel, he is running every day. So now, so this meter to kilometer we have converted. So in 1 kilometer there is 1000, so we divided by 1000, because we are coming from lowest to highest we are converting, so we will have to divide. Already you know this conversion of units, then we got the answer. And this is also asking that for why it is doing so, because this is for the health awareness, this is for the health awareness. Okay, this is for the health awareness, to reduce the weight. This is the application, means in the real times, why we are doing in the real meaning, because to reduce the weight. Now question number 9, a square mirror of 40 centimeter to be framed, find the length of the frame needed, give the answer in meter and centimeter. So there is a square mirror of 40 centimeter. Okay, its side is 40 centimeter, find the length of the frame to be needed, that should be fitted. So this question number 9 is very easy, you can do it also by yourself. So here it is a square mirror is given, this mirror is square. So it's a it is given 40 centimeter. Okay, each side is 40, so this side also 40, this side will also 40, this side will also 40. First of all you have to find the perimeter. So find the perimeter of square mirror, so which is equals to 4 into side. So side is given, so 4 into 40, so it will be 160. This 160 is what? Centimeter. Okay, this 160 is the centimeter, and you have to find the answer in the meter and centimeter. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to divide by 100, because it will be converted in the meter and centimeter. So now this is the your meter, so you can write it 1.60 meter, or you can write this one is your, this 1 is your 1 meter, and 60 is the centimeter. So that's your answer. Okay, you just check it. Okay, simple. This is the square, so we find the, it's a perimeter. Okay, and likewise we have solved, and this meter to we have to convert in the meter and centimeter, that we have done here. Got it? Now next question number 10. Find the cost of fixing barbed wire at the rate of 15 rupees 15 per meter around a square garden whose side is given. Means one square garden, this question number 10, it is that a square garden is there, one garden whose shape is square. Okay, and there is a, its a side is given 100 meter each, and there you have to barb the wire, here you have to put the wires. Okay, every this side. So first of all you have to find it's a perimeter. Okay, so first you find the perimeter of the square garden. Okay, so what is the formula? 4 into side. Got it? So now 4 into what is the side is given 100, so it is the 400. This is, it is given in meter, so 400 meter. So the side of this, the perimeter of the garden is 400 meter. It means that is the 400 meter total length is the 400 meter. Okay, 400 meter. In this 400 meter, for 1 meter, if you will barb the wire for 1 meter, suppose 1 meter you will put the wire, so you have to pay 15 rupees per meter. So now total is 400, so like this 400 you have to do, so that this cost you have to find, so you can find the cost. So the cost, the cost of fixing, this cost of fixing barbed wire, so it will be equals to, so what is the total length? 400 meter, and what is the cost? 15 rupees. Okay, so now you can multiply, so you will get 15 for the 60 and 20. So 6,000 you have to pay that. Okay, so this 6,000 you have to pay for this barbing the wire around this square garden. Got it? So you can check this. First of all, you have to find the perimeter of this square field. So 400 meter. Now this is total length is 400. Now for if you will barb the wire 1 meter, you have to pay 15 rupees. So like how many meters? 400. So multiply by 15. Okay, so this is your answer. So you can complete this exercise 15b. Got it? Okay.